Boggle Jr. How to Play. The object of the game is to help promote basic letter and word skills. Set out the tray and dice. In the beginner version, which is designed for young children, arrange the picture word cards so that all of the three-letter words are facing the same direction and oriented the same way. Place the cards into the tray, leaving the word shield back so the word remains visible. Point to a picture on the card and ask the child what they see, guiding them to the correct answer. Once they say the correct word, the child must now find each letter from the cubes in order, saying them one at a time, and then place the cubes in the tray below the appropriate letter on the picture. When each letter is in the correct spot, you say each letter out loud, then read the word. Then say and spell the word with the child again. The child takes the card, and the process is repeated with a new word. Once all the three-letter words have been used, use the four-letter words. Once that is complete, then mix the three- and four-letter words and do it again. When the child has mastered this version, then, to make it more difficult, use the word shield. Shuffle the three- and four-letter words, then close the word shield so the words are hidden. Each time the child finishes a word, pull out the card. If they were correct, they keep the card. If incorrect, they don't. Once all the cards are used, if the child got more right than they didn't, they win. If not, then they lose. To play against another child, play with the word shield down. When a player gets the word correct, they collect the card and go again. If not, then they put the card on the bottom of the pile and end their turn, and the next player goes. Alternate turns until the cards run out. Then the player who collected the most wins.